Hi ma'am, my name is Jake Lawrence Aklan Montero and I'm going to speech the defense of Brutus. Romans, countrymen, and lovers, hear me for my cause, and be silent, that you may hear, believe me for mine honor, and have respect to mine honor, that you may believe, censure me in your wisdom, and awake your senses, that you may the better judge, if there be any assembly any there friends of Caesar's. To him I say that Brutus' love for Caesar's was no less than his. If them that friend demand why Brutus rose against Caesar's, this is my answer: not that I loved Caesar less, but that I love Rome more. Had you rather Caesars were living and die all slaves, than that Caesar were dead, to live all live men? As Caesar's loved me, I weep for him as he was fortunate. I rejoice at he was valiant. I honor him, but he was ambitious. I slow him. There are tears for his love, joy for his fortune, honor for his valor, and death for his ambitious. Valor for his ambition. Who is here? Who is here so base that would be bondmen's? If any speak for him, have I offended? Who is here so rude? That would not be a Roman? If any speak for him, have I offended? Who is here so vile that will not love his country? If any speak for him, I offended. I pause to reply. And thank you, ma'am. That's my speech for Brutus, for the defense of Brutus.